All right, this is gonna be part 4. This is what we got. He's got all of the first pass of polish done, sanding, everything. We're down to the uh, final one on most parts of the car. He's got this whole side. He's already done the final.
Not this.
Oh, okay.
This.
The back door to the front fender has got the final polish on it. The quarter panel going back neath the final polish. And then, of course, once he's done, he's still got to do a wash job, get all the polish and everything off, and polish up the tires and everything. And then the ceramic coating, of course, will be the last thing. But this is what it's looking like. That's the final polish on that. The back door, front fender, some kind of, there's a little bit of dust here and there because he's still final polishing everything. The front bumper has been one step polished. Like I said, there's not a whole lot we're going to be able to do with it. It's going to look good, but it's all that road damage is going to be there no matter what. We got the hood protector on there. He's still going to polish it. And of course, it'll have a ceramic coating on it with the rest of it. I don't know if you can see the hood protector in the camera or not, but he's got it. But like I said, the whole thing's already got the first step polish done to it. And it's looking good. Well, like I said, we're gonna do the tires. They're clean. We gotta polish them up, do everything to them. We'll put everything on there, and then he'll do his final wash, get everything off there, and go from there. But this is going to be part 4, and I think there will be a total of 6 parts altogether, from what we're estimating. I think there's 2 more after this one. The last one will be after it's ceramic coating, coated and completed. So we're getting close to having it done. That's it.